Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can change search icon to search bar on Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you just need to open the Shopify dashboard. As you can see, I'm on the dashboard and I am now on Shopify dashboard. Now what you guys need to do to change it, as you can see, this is really annoying. Like most of the time, people will not even be able to see this search icon. Okay, even if you click on it, as you can see, this bar looks very ugly. So to change like search icon to search bar, just follow the steps in this video. Before we start, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. That would help me a lot. Okay, so let's get started right now. All right, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on online store. Okay, I would highly recommend like making a copy or just duplicate your Shopify theme, just in case you want to go back, or you would like the code break or something like that. Of course, it's not going to happen, but you don't know what's gonna happen, so you just need to click on three little dots and then click on duplicate. Okay, and that's it. And then as you can see, this is now a copy of your theme. It will copy everything, the code, like everything you have customized. Anyway, after you make a copy, then what you guys need to do, you just need to click on three little dots here next to customize, and then you want to click on edit code. Okay, this is very easy, so this is not some complicated thing to do. Like it looks like it's complicated, but it's very easy. So what you guys need to do here in the search, where it says here search filter, filter files, you just need search here for header dot liquid. Okay, that's what you guys need to search for. After you search for header.liquid, you want to click on this file, which is header.liquid. Okay, now what you guys need to do is you want to click here. Okay, click on somewhere here on the screen. Okay, and then click on ctrl F. Okay, just like act like you are going to type a code. Just like put your mouse on the code and then right click. Okay, I'm sorry, just click on it. Okay, if you are using laptop, just click on it. All right, now after that, you want to click on ctrl F if you are using Windows. Okay, if you are using Mac, I believe you need to click on ctrl A. So on Windows, you want to click on ctrl F. All right, so now what you guys need to do, you want to go to the description of this video and you want to copy a code that we are going to paste there. But before you do that, first you need to search for this code. It's called render single quote header. Okay, you want to search for it here. I am going to paste this in the description. So this is how you type it. As you can see, render single quote and header. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to search for it here where it says find. Search for it, click on next. Now you want to scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling just a little bit. Okay, just don't scroll very quick. Scroll down a little bit until you find a file. Sorry, it seems like you didn't see everything. Okay, so like I said, you just need to copy this. It's called the render single quote header, and you want to paste it here. Okay, and then click on next. After you click on next, then you want to scroll down a little bit. Okay, don't scroll quickly, and you just need to search for this text. It's called render single quote search input ID Search-In-Modal. Okay, this is exactly the whole text. Okay, it's called, as you can see, this is what you guys need to search for on this file, and this is it. So I'm going to zoom it. As you can see, this is it. Okay, now what you need to do, you want to copy a code that I'm going to add in the description of this video, and this is it. I'm going to copy the whole code. Okay, now after you copy the code, guys, what you guys need to do, you just need to remove that text. As you can, this render header search input ID, just select it, click on remove, and then replace it with this ctrl V. Okay, on Windows, you know, ctrl V, or you just need to right click and then click on paste. Now after you paste the code, click on save. Don't worry about this, it's going to disappear. Now as you can see, this is the search icon, but I'm going to reload the page, and now it's changed to the search bar, which is really cool. It looks very good, and also it looks like it fits the Shopify store. Okay, so that's exactly how you can do this. So if you don't understand anything, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I'm going to add the code in the description. That's it. Okay, hopefully this one guys helped you. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one.